Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your URL name in Vercel. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser, head on over to vercel.com and sign into your account. Then from here, go ahead and click onto that project where you like to change your URL. So I'm going to click on this weight loss tracker project. So now what we want to do is go ahead and click on the little plus icon to domains, and then we're going to see the domain here, and then we can go ahead and click on to edit. Now this is where we can edit the URL name, so we can go ahead and edit that here by highlighting it and changing that domain name or URL name, sorry. Now if you want to go ahead and buy a domain, we can do that. So we can go ahead and click on buy a domain. So say for example I want to get my channel name Tutorial Wiz. For example, I can go ahead and that's not available, but I can get tutorialwiz.dev. I can go ahead and purchase that, or tutorialwiz.ai of a 2-year domain, and go ahead and go through, put this to my cart, purchase that. Now once you got your domain, or you've already got that, we can go ahead and come back here. Then we can go ahead and click on where it says add domain. We can add a domain. So now put in your domain here. So say for example I got tutorialwiz.dev. So then it's going to redirect to tutorialwiz.dev. Now we've got an option here to connect to an environment, so we can do system environments, production, preview, or if you've got any custom environments, you can select that or redirect to another domain. So you got 307 temporary redirect found, permanent, move permanently, and then have your redirect there, and then click on save. Now once you've done that, your domain here is going to be changed to what you put in earlier.